So you're thinking about selling a product here in Australia, but you're not quite sure if it's actually okay to sell that product. How do you find out for sure if you're able to sell the product that you're thinking of? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's go. So the easiest way to start with is to Google it. Mushroom, in this case, powder, Amazon, Australia. Okay, so because we can see this product is selling on Amazon in Australia, we can now make the assumption that it's okay to sell mushroom powders on Amazon in Australia. Okay, so now we know that piece of the puzzle. No problem at all. And we can do exactly the same thing with eBay, with Shopify, with TikTok, whatever other particular distribution channel you want to talk about. Okay, so that's phase one of this. But let's suppose that we're doing this. Mushroom powders, by the way, I think is a really, really good niche. Lots and lots of talks about mushrooms. One of those niches that I think is going to go absolutely insane. So if you're doing this and you're not able to find your particular thing, so mushroom powders in this particular thing, then what do you do next? Well, next, what you want to come to is you want to go to Australian Border Force, and you can just search on the Australian Border Force website for the prohibited good. So in this case, mushroom powder, and see if that's on the prohibited goods list. Okay. But if you've never been through this, it's a really interesting read to see what Australia does not allow to get sold. Very interesting. Okay, so that's one, Australian Border Force. Let's suppose you're wanting to go even deeper. So the next level of that is the ACCC website, which has got product safety. And this is a different sort of thing. So this is things where for me, I think about the Border Force as more of the raw materials side of things. So getting the stuff into Australia to then manufacture or refine into the finished product. This is products that are actually banned in Australia. So for instance, I had no idea that lead wicks were even a thing in candles, and you couldn't actually sell them in Australia. Okay, gas masks with asbestos, well, that makes sense. Mini jelly cups containing konjac. I don't even know what konjac is, but now, of course, I really want to know what konjac is. So that's another way you can do that as well. And then the other way as well is just specifically with regards to Amazon, and that's to come and look at the restricted product categories on Amazon. That's that link there, and they've got all sorts of restricted products. And what you have to do, of course, is you have to find the category where yours are, which mushrooms would be dietary supplements. Weirdly, I don't know why they would be, but mushrooms always get put into dietary supplements. And then from there, you can go and see if they've said anything about the particular product that you're selling. But we already know, because we did the research here, that powdered mushrooms are fine. Okay, so we've already kind of seen that. So that's the hierarchy of checking things out. Check with Amazon, so Google it. Then you can do Australian Border Force. Then you can do ACCC, their website, very, very good. And then you can go and check out the actual banned list on Amazon as well. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's actually over 2,500 members now right here in Australia, and growing. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, and more importantly, how we can help you build your own or grow your own e-commerce business, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is right underneath in the description, or you can just go Google that, Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. You'll find us that way too. See you in the next video. Bye.